A native fungus collected in our region is becoming a line of defense against invasive buckthorn trees. In the Forest Microbiology Lab, Chondrosterium purpureum, nicknamed superporp, is isolated for propagation and cultured using a method that makes it easier to handle as it's transformed into a living broth. One of my research goals is to create an accessible application method, spraying the fungus on selected buckthorn as easily as you would water a garden. I'm also working to develop a method to assess the level of infection on treated trees so we can determine a timeline for how long it takes to have an effect. I'm expanding on previous research that mostly focused on how this application of the fungus affects the amount of stump sprouts coming from the inoculated stems. When you inoculate a tree with superporp, it diverts its energy from growth in order to fight the fungus. Fungi is a passion. I've been hunting for weird mushrooms since I was little. They represent a unique life form that deserves as much love and appreciation as any other living being we hold dear. Understanding the biology and the extreme diversity of fungi has helped me understand how C. purpureum acts across its life cycle. It's another fungus, a heterotroph, whose life depends on ingesting organic matter. In Superperp's case, that's living trees. I don't see heroes or villains in the forest. While many may categorize this fungus as a disease, I see it as just another species finding its place in its environment. We all rely on other life in order to survive.